Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips and tricks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to cancel a Cash App payment. Whether you accidentally sent money to the wrong person or just had a change of heart, knowing how to handle this can save you some serious stress. Let's get straight into it. This process is straightforward, but timing is key, so act fast. First off, open the Cash App on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in, head to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Activity tab. This is where all your recent transactions are listed. Next, scroll through your activity feed until you find the payment you want to cancel. Tap on it to open the details. Now, here's the important part. Not all payments can be canceled. If the money has already been received by the other person or if it's been more than a few minutes, you might be out of luck. But if it's still pending, look for a Cancel Payment option. It should be right there on the screen. If you see it, go ahead and tap that button. You'll probably get a confirmation prompt, so double-check everything and hit Confirm to proceed. Cash App will process the cancellation, and the funds should return to your account shortly. Keep an eye on your balance to make sure it reflects the change. What if you can't cancel it? Don't panic. If the payment has already gone through, your best bet is to contact the recipient directly and ask for a refund. If that doesn't work, reach out to Cash App support through the app's help section. They can guide you on next steps, like disputing the transaction. There you have it. Canceling a Cash App payment is quick and simple when done right. Remember, the sooner you act, the better your chances. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.